So guys, I just want 2 hours. I'll just study for 2 hours and I will just come back soon because there is lots to study, so I should concentrate at least for 2 hours. After finishing this 2 hours, there is some surprises for you, so don't miss it out. Just wait and see it, okay? And just 2 hours. I just use the split screens because I don't want to really waste your time. And in the right side you can see that I'm gonna study for around 2 to 3 hours, and in the left side you can just see a small like hostel tour or a best night view. It's gonna come now, and mainly what I wanna say you here is that at the end of the video you will just nearly know that I'm just gonna express myself how I really feel about medical life. And any student who wanna see this video, just watch till the end so you know the actual content what I'm just giving in this video. And let's go. First of all, for all nighters who are just striving so hard in like 12 a.m. to 6 a.m., just want to say you something that you are just working like insanely hard for years, and you just sacrifice your social lives, relationships, and food. Who knows that how many all nighters are doing this type of things? And the thing that I want to say is that you just dedicated yourself to helping others and to making their lives better, especially the doctors, and making them healthier and longer, so sometimes saving them altogether. Some people of course you won't be able to save, but every day you will be actively and specifically making this world a better place. And that's something that a lot of people talk about, but you won't need to talk about because you're doing it, right? And you will be doing it. I hope you enjoyed the view which is gonna come now, because this the biggest peaceful place I got in this 3 years in my medical life. Whenever I just feel like stressful, I just come here and see the moon. You can see there, right? I feel like so happy when I just see that. So I hope you enjoyed as well. So let's go for my personal life. Around 6:30, so I'm just sleeping now, and you can see now I'm just totally tired, but in video I just don't want to show you a kind of negative vibe or something like that, so I'm just trying to be as energetic as possible. So this is how it went. And in 2 weeks there is exam, like major exam kind of. It's called midterm. Some people who knows about that stuff. So we have a big exam. I will call those exams as chaos. So I have those chaos in 2 weeks. So the preparation is going on, but I'm not yet even halfway yet. Like, I'm just going so slowly because I don't know, to exhaust myself and just feel like why I'm studying this course or something like that, because it's really burning out that much. And uh, my negativity, my, like, how can I say, I always feel that there's a big disadvantage in my studying habit is that I will just study for one day or like whole day and I will be exhausted, and I won't study for 2 days, because I'll feel like I got exhausted, I need some time, so I will just take 2 days. So 2 days are totally wasted for me. So this happens every time. So this time I just want to avoid that one. I'm trying to avoid what I want, because stress is getting too much, and we will just think that we should cover everything, but our body won't allow it, right? As a medical student, we know that as the stress hormone increases, we can't able to concentrate. Our neurons won't work. That stimulatory effect, it won't be there. We can't able to be so focused and be like so productive, right? So that's what I always feel like. And as the thing is that I'll just I'm planning to go to India by next month or something like that. So if I go to India, like, right, I'm Indian, so I'll just go to India, and I'll be there for around 2 to 3 months, I guess. So hereafter the vlogs or any food reviews or anything that I'm going, it gonna be in India. And I just wanna say you that I can just post up to like next week's video, and after that I just wanna break for 1 month, so I can't able to put like too much videos. Yes, I wanna say you that. And now I'm just gonna sleep, but I feel like saying you some stuff regarding this channel and how I am feeling regarding. So the persons who are watching this video, who ever think that I am the only person who are affected by this, just see this world. There are lots of people around you. You can see me in the screen, right? Even I am the person like you. So there are some stuffs that we want to just self motivate ourselves and just go further towards life. I know there will be many lots of failures, and even I am just facing around more than 50% of failures, but I won't never give up on that any things, because let's see what's there in that. We'll just give a shot and see what's gonna happen, right? Let's try and see. So I'll just give my shot every exams. Sometimes it won't work, no, many times it won't work. So this time I'm just trying so hard. So I feel like I'll just get something this video. There are too much wind is there. I can't even like. Okay, so that's what I just want to say. And so never give up. That's what I want to say. I'm just gonna sleep now. It's time. I guess now it's 7 o'clock. So I'm just gonna sleep now. I'm just enjoying this view now, and I will just have a peaceful sleep, and I will just see you. Let's go for the party. After the exam, going for biryani, right? Let's go. So we're gonna buy some chicken over here. Don't get annoyed by my dark circles, because this all we got after 10 days of medical big exam. So let's see how it goes, and so be on here, and it will be so fun. Don't miss it.